Hey, hi, hello everyone. Welcome to one of the advanced tutorial series on Titlage.com. As I promised, I would be giving you at least 10 videos on October 1st on CMS system. I would say the blogging system we would be creating. So this would be the video number one that I'm gonna give you an introduction, what we would be doing in the entire video series. So guys, what we would be doing is that we would be building a fully functional content management system. If you guys are not sure what content management systems are, then you can go ahead and check out WordPress. You can check Joomla. You can check out Drupal. They all are the blogging content management system. What they do is they give you a backend panel from where you can control your entire site. Like you can get the stats from the day, how many people hit your site. You can get you can create posts from anywhere. You don't have to write a chunk of codes every time, or you don't have to write everything. You can just have a backend admin panel, and you can create pages, you can create posts, you can do a lot of stuff from there itself. So guys, what I'm doing is I just want to give you guys a very brief introduction so that you can understand what we would be doing in the entire video series. So very first, we would be creating a backend admin panel. In the admin panel, you can actually log in, and you can create new content, or you can create new pages. And you will only have to write your files for one time, and then later everything is done. If you want to create a new page, it will get generated for you dynamically. You don't have to create any new file. Everything would be in your database. So in this way, your file system would be really small. And guys, whatever we would be creating it on the themes, okay? Because let's say you are running your blog very successfully, and later after 2 or 3 years, you got an idea to switch to a different kind of a style. So you are not gonna write entire thing once again. What you can do is you can go to our themes folder. There you can just create a new theme with HTML code and with, I would say, 10 or 20 PHP functions that are already being created for you, and your new theme would be ready. Okay, so it would be really flexible for you to do it. And guys, we would be using the object-oriented programming to create the themes. So if I'll talk about the admin panel, the admin panel will have a login system with a user authentication based on their access level. So let's say if you have 5 people and they all are taking care of your site, but you don't want those people to delete anything from your site. So you can create a user, you can give them the labels. Okay, you can say this person can only read it and this person can only write it, but they people cannot delete it. You are the admin, you can only do it. So you can do all this. Then you can actually calculate the unique and the non-unique hits you're getting, and that would be based on the user's IP addresses. You would be tracking the IP addresses. If you are the admin, you will have the actual access to create those users, and you will have the functionality to create new pages, new posts, and you will not have to touch any file. So you can imagine that you have the files on your laptop and you are accessing a public computer out somewhere, and you want to create a post. You got some idea, so you don't have to rush to your home. You will not have to open your laptop. You can do it while sitting in that particular public system. And then you can check out the list of the comments you're getting. You will have the ability to approve them, to delete them, or to report them as a spam, because it can happen a lot of times. People are sending actually junk to your comment system, and you don't want to approve it. You can mark them as a spam, and the rest PHP will take care of them. The people will not be able to comment anymore on your site. Then in your admin panel, you would be getting the list of the themes, and you will have the options to activate or deactivate them. If you have ever worked on WordPress, then you would be very much sure, WordPress have an area from where you can actually see the themes you have in your themes folder, and then from there you can take the decision which one to activate and which one to deactivate. So if you will activate one theme, that will be reflecting on your on your actual site. Then there would be an internal private messaging system. Let's say you have 5 users, and you want to send a message to only one of those. So you can do that. That would be a kind of a function we're gonna implement our blogging system. Then there would be an option to change your profile information if you want to change your picture. And the guys, very important thing is SEO friendly, creating a site which is search engine friendly. If Google, Yahoo, these are the main people who give you traffic to your sites. If you will never get traffic to your site, it hardly matters how good content you have, how good, like how much dedicating you are for your work. It hardly matters. You need to get traffic in order to show users that you actually have quality stuff to your site. And the one of the main way to get the traffic is the search engines. So we're gonna create different meta tags for all the posts. You will have the options in your admin panel to create meta tags yourself. We would be creating an XML sitemap so that we can later submit our site to Google or any other search engine. We do need an XML sitemap for that. So we would be creating that as well. Guys, now I have some points to note. Guys, this would be a very advanced video series. So very first, you people need to have some basic knowledge of PHP, of Ajax, and of jQuery. If you guys are a real newbie for PHP, then I will suggest you please do not watch this series. Please go ahead and watch some my beginner series to have some idea. Guys, next thing, as I'm spending a lot of time in order to create this blogging system, so I would be letting users to download it from my site. If you people want, you can do it as well, but I don't want you to guys use it for commercial use and use my images or my style. You can use the functionality, but you need to have your own images and you need to have your own styles. I don't want 50 clones running on the side of what I created. Okay. And one more thing, guys, as I'm covering everything in detail, I want you guys to be patient while waiting for new videos, because I have my own schedules I have to do as well. So I would be making sure that I'm giving maximum time in order to create these videos, and I will end them as soon as I can. But I want you guys to be patient and wait for new videos, or if you people want, you can actually subscribe to my videos. So anytime I upload a new video, you will get an email and you won't have to come again and again to my site. So guys, this was a basic introduction on the CMS blogging system. Don't worry, everything we're gonna do in this video series, that would be awesome. So I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye bye.